Go on the app. Okay, Roy. Monkey Marathon, okay? Come on.
Okay. Why are we going that way?
Because he's literally facing the corner in there. So we're gonna come over here so he doesn't look at us, you know what I mean?
Yeah. What if he imagine if he just turns around?
I mean, that would suck. Go.
Or we have no time to react. What do you mean go? Oh.
Ready?
Yeah.
Hey, no.
Okay.
If you don't go, Corteo's gonna die.
Okay. Come on.
Go.
Can you lead?
No, I'm not leading. You lead.
Why? I scream
He's
the most.
stuck. Just run. It's for
If he's
content.
stuck, then you can go ahead and go.
No, it's for content, bro.
Give a test. Give a test to be.
I'll.
Will you give me money? Keep running! I swear to God, I'll you.
Oh my God.